Hello, I'm here with my new CRAFTSMAN Ratcheting combination wrench set. Comes in both metric and standard or SAE. Comes in a nice solid case. It locks, keeps them in place if you want to keep them in that case. Opens up, you got metric on this side, standard on this side. On the metric side, it goes from 6 to 18, it skips 7 and 11. There's no 19 millimeter, but on the SAE side, it goes up to 3/4 of an inch, which I've been known to use that in place of a 19 millimeter, and it starts with a 1/4 inch. It's got good ratcheting action. It's 92. I've got the 10 millimeter here and a 10 millimeter hex bolt. I don't know if you can hear that. Fine, flip it over. It's got nice sound to it, nice feel to it, nice polished finish. As I said, nice case to keep it in. It's really a good complete set for around the home if you want to use that. Thanks for watching.